The ancient Egyptians called their gods Neter or Neteru as a plural. And these were seen as the forces of nature. Later on, the Latin word derived the word Neteru into the word nature. So let this sink in. And the same ancient intelligence, the forces of nature, that is keeping everything in balance and that is working on such a broad yet subtle level at the same time. The same ancient intelligence exists within your body. Your body has ancient knowledge far beyond the capacity of what the mind can understand. Feeling is so rarely put into the correct words because words cannot encapsulate what we're feeling. There's broader things at play. The same intelligence that is making the planet spin around its own axis and keeping them into orbit, that's keeping the galaxies in their orbit to the universe and the universe in its orbit to the multiverse, is keeping every single atom and cell within your body in its orbit. Everything is fractionalized, which means the same intelligence that is taking care of your body is taking care of the universe. Notice this. And then the separate self, when you truly realize this, will soften and maybe even fall away.